Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi presents National Creators Award, says Digital India Mission has created new world of content creators. Government reduced price of LPG cylinder by 100 rupees on International Women's Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiates tourism projects worth rupees 85 crore Meghalaya under Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program. Jayanta Hills Autonomous District Council passes rupees 13 crore 59 lakh 36,800 crore deficit budget. And former TMC MLA from Salmanpara constituency, Vinnasan D. Sangma joins BJP, says more leaders looking to shift allegiance. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has underlined that the potential of content creators can take India's branding to a new height at the national and international levels. Speaking after presenting the first ever National Creators Award at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today, the Prime Minister highlighted the power of creativity and gave the example of visualizing excavated artifacts that have the potential to take the viewer back to the same era to experience it. He exhorted content creators to start create on India's movement to share India's stories, culture, heritage and traditions with the whole world. The government has decided to reduce LPG cylinder prices by 100 rupees on Women's Day today. In social media post, Prime Minister Narendra Modi informed about it. He said that this will significantly ease the financial burden on millions of households across the country, especially benefiting the Nari Shakti. The Prime Minister said that by making cooking gas more affordable, government also aims to support the well-being of families and ensure a healthier environment. Mr. Modi said this is in line with the government's commitment to empowering women and ensuring ease of living for them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday virtually laid the foundation stone for the 32 crore Maumlo Exponential Centre and Sora Waterfall Trails, estimated to cost rupees 27 crore. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo, after attending a virtual meeting with the Prime Minister, said the project that were inaugurated are worth rupees 85 crore, and these include the Krangsuri Falls and other sites within Meghalaya. These projects will be taken up under the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program. The Prime Minister also inaugurated the Kata Bil Tourist Felicitation Centre at Nogorpara village in southwest Garo Hills.
Just some time back had laid the foundation stone of two projects. One is the Maumlo Experiential Center at a cost of 32 crore rupees, and the other is the Sora Waterfalls Trails at a project cost of 27 crore rupees. These projects will be taken up under the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program.
The deficit budget for the financial year 2024-2025 of the Jayanta Hills Autonomous District Council amount to rupees 13 crore 59 lakh 36,800 was passed today, the concluding day of the CGADC budget session. The proposed budget estimated for the upcoming financial year 2024-2025 to rupees 204 crore 63 lakh 23,500 in estimated receipts, compared to an estimated expenditure of rupees 218 crore 22 lakh 60,300, resulting in a deficit of rupees 13 crore 59 lakh 36,800, was presented yesterday by CGADC Shri Thombor Shiwat. The Deputy Chairman Dr. Shankei Shangpung declared in the August House this budget was passed unanimously in the House without any gut motion. Former TMC MLA from Salman Para, a constituency winner Sen Sama, joined the state BJP on Friday in the presence of the top BJP leaders from the state. Salma said that acceptance from BJP has grown in leaps and bounds in the state, especially in the Garo Hills, due to the agenda of development. He also announced that more leaders from the state TMC will be joining the BJP in days to come.
I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I am very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me.
The Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises of the Government of India, in collaboration with the Office of DCIC Nongpo, organized a one-day awareness program on the PMVisha Karma scheme for the local populace of Ribhoi district. The awareness program was held at Sajar Community Hall, Nongpo, and was attended by artisans, craftsmen and village leaders. The program aimed to highlight the benefits of the PMVisha Karma scheme, which was launched by the Prime Minister in 2023. The scheme is designed to provide special assistance to artisans and craftsmen, empowering them in their endeavors. The International Women's Day celebration under the theme Invest in Women, Accelerate in Progress was held in various parts of the state. In Shillong, as part of the celebration, the State Hub for the Empowerment of Women under the Social Welfare Department felicitated women who have made outstanding achievement and services to women, growth and empowerment. In Jawai, an awareness program for SHG group leaders from Meetmintru village was held at Rajsilia Community Hall. The awareness program covered various topics related to women's health, schemes and services for women, the Domestic Violence Act of 2005 and women's law and schemes under the district hub. Expert resource persons led the discussion. In Beta Singh CNRD block in southwest Garo Hills, the event emphasized on importance of empowering women for overall progress. In Chokpok CNRD block in South Garo Hills, the event underscored the vital role of investing in women's empowerment as a catalyst for progress, echoing the community's commitment to gender equality and inclusive development.
Women, even if they are not childbearers, face some of the biggest health hazards because of the fact that they are women and that their work has been a big challenge, and hence women health is important for this government. We are grateful that the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Cabinet has deemed it fit that this department is headed by a woman.
As part of the preparation for the coming of the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Semi-Annual Meeting 2025 at Sakwang Presbyterian Church under Sakwang Presbytery, Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar today inspected different internal roads in Sakwang and Pinden Sakwang villages. Tongkhar was accompanied by Ministry of Pinden Sakwang Village, Arnes Lingdo, Ministry of Sakwang Village, Shining Star Karjarin, officials from the PWD Roads and church leaders from Sakwang Presbyterian Church. Speaking to media person after the inspection, Tongkhar thanks the government through the PWD Roads for sanctioning ₹7 crores for construction of roads in these two villages. However, he said they still need more internal roads.
Kilayat kini tre kiba layo sanction kilayat tre kontraktor dari kidang don sakatukan ne pede ki surok ki barang don kam patre kam tam kini ki surok ki posno internal road ha ka bakaron kam ban snap ha ban sengrong di surok posno di don hang ne da kata sim jong kajing ya sim khia nagaling ki masnong ki don berakut ki menteri nagaling menteri juga Sakwang nagaling menteri juga Penan Sakwang kidon lang batngi da kapapan paw kita kaji sim lang kaji kle banyu I ba kaji program lang ka ba ya baik ya janti kamtam jing persekutu iki try jaka hak bakin ya ai na kamtam sna surok.
The highly anticipated cultural extravaganza, the Moonlit Festival, finally got off to a start at the picturesque Khasi Heritage Village in Moplang on Thursday. The festival is showcasing the rich culture and heritage of Khasi communities, such as the cuisine, customs, attires, besides local administration are concerned. The festival, a vibrant extravaganza spanning 3 days from March 7 to 9th, is set to commemorate 54 chieftainships, promising and enchanting immersion into the rich tapestry of Khasi culture, featuring an array of art, craft, cuisine, music and dance. During the inaugural function, local dances like Shat Thma and Shat Sajer, besides performance from local bands, enthralled the crowd.
Nundai banput watan sustenru. Naman kibapun ba kibakwa banyoi. Baru bantip ya kajinglom kajingman. Jom mangi hangli amegala kiripat. Ikwa bandakho dakikot isla. Bakikwa aru ban pentinuksa. Siya kapurtei jokarin dia barokaway.
The Indian Air Force today organized an air show over Umiam Lake. Fighters, jet like Rafale and others, performed breathtaking maneuvers for the audience. Indian Air Force renowned Surya Kiran aerobatic team SK-80 also performed and captivated the audience with their performance. Governor Phagu Chauhan and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma was present in the event. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who also watched the show, said that a lot of work is being done to increase the representation of local youths in the armed forces, including the Indian Air Force.
Today's particular air show that we all witnessed was truly amazing. I have no other word but to express so much of happiness to see this air show today, and I really would like to take this opportunity to say how proud I am of our Air Force and all our pilots and all the officials in the Air Force. And today's show has really demonstrated the kind of capability and the kind of skill that our Air Force has. It is second to none.
And now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 7.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 27% and in the evening 37%. Forecast dry weather likely in all places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi presents National Creators Award, says Digital India Mission has created new world of content creators. Government reduces price of LPG cylinder by 100 rupees on International Women's Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiates tourism projects worth rupees 85 crore in Meghalaya under Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program. Giant Hills Autonomous District Council passes rupees 13 crore 59 lakh 36,800 deficit budget. And former TMC MLA from Salmanpara constituency, Winnerson D. Sangma joins BJP, says more leaders looking to shift alliance. That's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.